When are we going to use in, on, and at? Hi, welcome to Prepositions of Time. Let's learn. We use in for months. For example, in May, in January, in August, in December. For years, like in 1997, in 2025, in 2010. For centuries, in the 21st century, in the 19th century. Or for long periods like in the morning, in winter, in summer, in the past, for example. Now we use on if we are going to talk about days. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Christmas Day, on Halloween. For dates like on June 10th, on July 4th, on the first day of January, or for specific day phrases like on my birthday, on New Year's Eve. The trick here is you use on if it's a complete 24 hours. Now we use at if we talk about specific clock time, less than 24 hours. For example, at 6 p.m., at 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning, or specific times of the day, at noon, at midnight, for short holidays or events like at Christmas, at Easter, or fixed points like at the moment, at night. Now we've got a photo for better understanding for those who are visual learners. So in, as you can see, it's for longer period of time. Now for on, as I've said, it's usually, not all the time, it's usually for 24 hours, like one whole day. And for at, it's for specific time of the day, less than 24 hours. So, let's go to our number one. My birthday is blank September. September is a month. So, it belongs to in. We should use in here. My birthday is in September. We are having a meeting blank Monday morning. So, the following word here is Monday, which is a day. Therefore, we should use on Monday morning. Next is the train arrives blank 6:45 p.m. or a quarter to 7. So, it's a specific time. We are going to use at. It's clock time. So, the train arrives at 6:45 p.m. Now, I graduated blank 2012. It's a year. So when we talk about years, we're going to use in. I graduated in 2012. And the fifth one is they usually go skiing blank winter. 4 seasons, we're going to use in. Alright? They usually go skiing in winter. Next, number 6, he was born blank the 15th of May. So 15th of May is a specific date. It's a complete 24 hour, right? So we should be using on the 15th of May. Number 7, I'll call you blank lunchtime. So the answer for lunchtime is at. Why? It's a specific time of the day. Alright? Number 8. I love spending time with family at Christmas. Why at? Because we're referring to the event, a short holiday. But if we say Christmas Day, then we should be saying on Christmas Day. Alright? Number 9, the birds sing loudly blank the morning. So, the morning is in. But why? Because it's a long period. would. It's not that specific. So we should be using in. 10. Our anniversary is blank June 1st. June 1st is a specific day. Therefore, we should be using on June 1st. Now, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, just comment down below and we will be featuring you in the next videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you're interested and if you want to learn more. Have a nice day. Bye!